Hey there, React developers. Welcome back to VStar YouTube channel. In today's video, we will dive into a powerful React hook that can enhance the real-time capabilities of your application. It's called useSyncExternalStore, and specifically we will be using it to build a real-time chat online status checker. So if a user goes online or offline, we can know through this custom hook we are going to make in this video. So okay, let's take a look at the code we will be working through today. But before looking in the code, I want you to make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to stay updated on all things which related to React or another technical things which we will be posting on this channel. Okay, so let's check out the code now. Okay, so here I have a use online status hook created. So I just created a folder name hooks and then created a use online status.jsx, and this is a custom hook which I'm going to create. So first of all, I just created a function use online status. I have placed use in front of it so that it indicates to React that this is gonna be a custom use hook. Okay, so and this hook I just have two lines, that is first is I'm like assigning a variable is online, and I'm getting that value from this use sync external storage hook from React. So what this use sync external store hook does, it subscribes using the first parameter we pass, and that we have the get snapshot which actually gets the value. Okay, so think of it like whenever this subscribe function is subscribed to any external store or any external API, and whenever there is a change, we call the callback hook which is passed to this subscribe function. So here we have this callback, and we will look into the internal working later on, but first of all get a high level overview of the hook. So then we have a get snapshot, and what this snapshot does, it gets the desired value which we want from the hook. Okay, so for now you can see we have get snapshot. Okay, so get snapshot does calls navigator dot online. This is a navigator is a it is the object which is provided to you by the browser. You can use this to navigator.online to get the online status. So you may ask, like, why don't we just use this navigator.online and then use that in our code? So what happens is, if the user suddenly gets online or offline, it might be like a not a good solution to like keep calling this function every time. So what we do is, whenever a user goes online or offline, we want to know at that exact moment. So we are going to use this custom hooks. Okay, so this is the snapshot function which we created that will only get the snapshots. Now we have to create the subscribe. Okay, so for subscribe we have the callback function passed, and whenever the state or something changes, whenever we want to like get the updated value, we will just pass that callback to that whenever we want to. So for that we have calling window.add event listener. So it will call this function whenever we go online or we go offline, we will call this, and we have in return we have a remove event listener. So what this event listener does, that we prevent any memory leak from happening, so we have to write a remove listener as well. And it's always a good practice, if you have added a event listener, and then you should remove that event listener as well. So by passing this event listener, we pass this online, then we want this function to call whenever we go online or offline, and whenever we go online or offline, we will just get this navigation.online, that is the current status. So I hope you understand this. Now let's look at this in practice. So I have created this is my save button, and status bar I have created two components, and the status bar just calls the use online status hook, and if it is online it shows online, and if it is not online it shows disconnected. Now I have a save, but on click of handle save click we just console log, but you can say that I have disabled it when it is not online. So if the user is offline, we can disable the button. So let's okay, so I am using Replit, and with the help of Replit I can use this on the same screen. So as you can see, now I'm connected to the internet right now, and I can click on save progress, and it is not disabled, it is okay. What I'm gonna do is I can just copy this link. Okay, here I have the link, I can just copy it, okay, from here, then I will go and place it here. Okay, the link is here. Now what I will do is I will open the network tab here, and I will just change my settings to offline. So please look at this, when I go to offline it will say disconnected, and the button is changed to reconnecting, and when I do when I get back online again, okay, so it shows online. So I hope you understand the working, and you understand how this is going to work. Okay, let me close this up, and there you have it, a real-time online status checker using React and the powerful useSyncExternalStore hook. This hook is a fantastic tool for managing external state in your applications, especially when dealing with real-time updates. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Subscribe for more React tips and tutorials, and I'll catch you in the next video. Happy coding. Thank you.